did women in Edo Japan style these elaborate hairstyles by themselves. Most women visited professional hairdressers called kamiyui. They specialized in creating fashionable hairstyles. Creating these hairstyles took time and skill. Hair was carefully combed, waxed, and shaped into elegant styles. Women slept on wooden pillows to protect their hairstyles. The raised pillow supported the neck while keeping the hair untouched. A hairstyle could reveal a woman's age, status, and fashion. Different styles reflected different stages of life and the latest trends. Combs and hairpins completed the look. Beautiful hair ornaments became an important part of Edo fashion. In Edo, Japan, a hairstyle was more than beauty, it was part of a woman's identity.